probably a Hey Paw Paw video. Hey Paw Paw. Hey Paw Paw. Where's the drain tile? We need to make wick buckets. Where's the drain tile?
You're funny. In behind the pole barn with everything that's growing back there right now.
Oh. We should go get that.
It's getting too late in the evening for that.
Why? I think we should go grab some out before the weeds grow up over it tomorrow.
I don't think they're over that fast.
I don't know, the grass goes poof.
We'll wait till tomorrow.
Get it tomorrow?
We'll work on it tomorrow.
Promise?
Get it tomorrow. You don't realize
I want you to promise me.
how much of a pain it is to get that. But
See, I'm working it right now. I want to make wick pots tomorrow.
we're planting in the garden.
Uh-huh. And we're planting in wick pots too.
Can't make with pots. We don't have soil.
Yes, we do. We have a sifter, and we have a trailer, and we have a big compost pile, and we can sift us some stuff. And guess what else we have? Guess what else we have? Let's go down here and see what else we have. Come with me, Paw Paw.
Let's see if it's gonna rain.
Come with me, Paw Paw. What else do we have that's going to go in this garden? Oh, and these right here, these are all going to be my
Yes, that wood.
my herbs.
that
My
wood
herbs.
is-
And this is a wick pot that's already made.
This is wood that we had left over. When we bought the house. This was still here, so we just used it.
Yeah.
All the wood in the raised beds was left here,
Yeah.
and we dug it out and used it.
Yep.
I was supposed to go up another level. That's why there's 2x4s sticking up higher.
Yeah, but we didn't. It's okay.
Wow, price of lumber right now is outrageous.
Right. So what I want to do is I want to go get the tractor. I want to bring it up here. I'm going to give John a shovel. And he's going to put me some stuff down here in my tractor bucket because I can't scoop it out from underneath the hutches. And then we're going to take it and we're going to put it in the herb beds, and then we'll put compost over that, and we're going to plant directly in it. See what I have?
It's gonna rain tomorrow.
And I have lots of it. I got lots of it. I have lots
Oh man.
of awesome rabbit droppings. This stuff is like gold. One of the best fertilizers you can get. Oh, you going to give her a treat? She likes treats. When the garden comes in and we start getting beet tops and carrot tops and all kinds of stuff, they'll get the greens.
Another bone pile. I work on.
You know, a lot of people think that carrots are good for them, but the root is actually not. It's too high in sugar.
We do
But-
give them some as a treat.
As a treat,
Just not a lot. Just a little small amount.
yep. But they'll get the greens.
Yeah, they'll get lettuces. If the lettuces go bad or we have just too much, we'll give them some of the lettuces as well.
Did you get eggs yet?
No.
What, you did not get the
No,
eggs?
I didn't get the eggs. I had to think there for a minute. I'm like, did I get the eggs?
No, you didn't get the eggs. Chuck!
Chuck is 4 girls. Man, Chuck is just.
Chuck's beating them up.
Chuck is fluffy.
What is, oh, the owl is down.
Yeah, the owl flew down with the windstorm.
See, I was looking over here, I'm like, what is that? There's a critter over there laying down, but that's my plastic owl. It has to go back out. Oh, Chuck.
Let's dig it up. What you need today?
What do you got?
Hmm?
What do you got?
That's
You have 4?
Chuck Chuck is so fluffy. Chuck must have been a molten. Chuck was like mega fluffy. Here, he's running this thing.
Where'd he go? I'm really liking these Orpingtons. I think I'm gonna get me some more Orpingtons.
Chuck.
Chuck,
Chuck, why
what up?
You all fluffy, man? Why you fluffy, buddy? Huh? Why you fluffy? He's still doing his job, though.
Yep.
Abby, they're not a play toy.
No.
They're not a play toy, Abby.
No.
When Chuck charges the fence to run me out, she is like right there ready to pounce. I'll tell her no, because she would probably think it's a toy.
Yep. No. You got the gate?
Yeah, I got it.
Now let's see if he runs you. Here he comes. He's gonna run you now.
Yeah, he knows. Look, but look at her. Abby. It's all right. Good girl. Come on. I know. You protect her. All right. Come on, fuzzball. Here.
She's got sticks all over the place. We had a big windstorm come through here. And she's got tree limbs and everything all over the yard.
When I do projects, she usually drags my wood down. If I'm not out here, a couple of days in between a project, I'll find 2x4s or whatever lumber I'm working with down in the yard.
Yep.
With teeth marks. It's like she doesn't have enough.
No, you're not having the egg. All right. So, I guess that's it.